गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स। आज हम लोग एमसीक्यू करेंगे बाइट क्वेश्चंस का सीएमए का, जो कि यहाँ पे ये डिटेल्स रहा इनडायरेक्ट टैक्सेशन का बाइट क्वेश्चंस। ये जो है अपने ICAMA के साइट से लिया है, ठीक है। आइए इसका सॉल्व करते हैं अपने। Which of the following taxes have been subsumed in GST? Central sales tax, central excise duty, VAT, all of the above. Answer is all of the above. D. List 1 of the Constitution contains matters in respect of which dash has the exclusive right to make laws. Answer is A. Central government. GST is levied on supply of all goods and services except alcohol liquor for human consumption. Answer is A. On petroleum crude, high speed diesel, motor spirit, natural gas and aviation turbine fuel, GST is not levied at all. GST will be levied from a date to be notified on the recommendations of the GST Council. Answer is B. अभी इस पर GST नहीं लगा है, लेकिन GST काउंसिल के रिकमेंडेशन पे इस पर GST लगेगा, लेकिन बाद में लगेगा, अभी नहीं। The functions of goods and services network include facilitating registration, forwarding the returns to the central and state authorities, computation of settlement of IGST, all of the above. Answer is all of the above. Which articles of the Constitution outlines the composition and functions of the GST Council? Section 279A. Answer is B. Which of the following is not supply as per Section 7 of CGST Act? Management consultancy services not in course or furtherance of business. Answer is A. Specifies the activities to be treated as supply even if made without consideration. Answer is A. Schedule 1 of the CGST Act. Which of the following activities is outside the scope of supply and not taxable under the GST? सर्विसेज बाई एम्प्लॉय ये नहीं होता है, मतलब ये GST में नहीं आएगा। सर्विसेज ऑफ फ्यूनरल नहीं आएगा। एक्शनेबल क्लेम्स ये भी नहीं आएगा। ऑल ऑफ द अबव आंसर्स। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सप्लाइज इज नॉट नेचुरल बॉन्डेड? रेंट डीड एग्जीक्यूटेड, पैक एंड वॉच नहीं, पैक। आंसर इज डी, नॉन ऑफ द अबव। A dash supply comprising of two or more supplies shall be treated as the supply of that particular supply that attracts highest rate of GST. Answer is B, mixed supply. Which of the following activities is a supply of service? Supply of service: transfer of right of goods dash undivided shares in the goods without transfer of the title of the goods, transfer of goods which answer